Hello, good evening, students. Today is transcription number back of 226 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. I would mention some facts and leave it to the judgment of honorable members as to whether some of the steps that the Railway Ministry has taken during this period of 5 years have been able to solve the transport difficulties. In spite of the two plants and the additional capacity released as a result of development, the problem of congestion, which has also been referred to by other honorable members, is proving a great deterrent. It has proved a great deterrent in the past. It is proving a great deterrent at present, and perhaps it will prove a greater deterrent hereafter. This problem of congestion has been growing. Perhaps the planners were not able to visualize or anticipate the growing demand for transport in the country. Today, a very critical situation is created in spite of all developments. Goods are not being lifted from the ports. Complaints have been received about this. There is a lot of congestion at the various ports, and there has been considerable delay in moving goods from port areas. Complaints have also been heard that ores are not being moved from the mining areas, and the internal trade is put to very severe strain. Reference was made to coal transport. Some of the reports which have appeared in today's papers are very disturbing. We are told that the crisis is very deep in the UP areas, and as a result of paucity of coal, many industries, perhaps even the railways there, and the normal life in certain of those areas in UP have suffered considerably. It is amazing that the Minister of Steel, Mines and Fuel, while replying to questions this morning, was trying to shield the Railway Minister. He was saying that the difficulty in lifting coal was not entirely due to paucity of wagons. It was due to some other reasons. But he went on to say that the local authorities had to resort to road transport to move coal from those mines. If that is so, I do not know why. If the wagons had been made available in the past, and if they are made available today, there was necessity to move coal from the colliery by road transport. Road transport is costlier and ultimately it is not economic. So we can very well say that there is a sort of friction or lack of coordination between the two wings. It has also been borne out clearly that transport of goods or ores has suffered because there has been wagon shortage. If there has been no shortage, at least there has been considerable delay in getting them.